Hello friends, welcome to learn Microsoft Excel. Okay, let us see how to create formula. For using formula, we have to use some data. Suppose here we put simple data. Suppose we have set of number 1 and number 2. Okay, put some number. Okay, and if we want to perform some operation with this number, with this set, suppose the first is addition, like subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, then how to put formula? Right here equal to, and we want to add value from this cell. This cell is of A2 plus value from B2 and press the enter. After this, you have to go to fill handler. This black cursor is known as fill handler. It is located at the right corner, right bottom corner of the cell. Simply click here and drag. You will get the sum of other values. As well as you can also perform division divided by number 2 and enter. As we have seen in last lecture, you can also control the number of digits. Suppose we want only 2 digits. Like this, we can use a simple formula. Suppose you want to create a ready-made formula, then here is the Autosum formula. You can rightly click on Autosum and you will get the result. Okay. Now let us calculate some other data. Here we use some data, roll number, then there is name, marks of subject 1, subject 2, and there is subject 3. There is total and percentage. Simple data. Okay. Roll number start from 101. Then press the control and drag the fill handle. It will increase the value by 1. Okay. Put some name. And let us put the marks. Marks is out of 100. Okay. Now here what happened? We use property of this cell is changed to decimal point. And how to change the property? Select the range of cell, right click, go to format cell, and here you can use number as a single without decimal point. Okay. Now let us calculate total. You can directly calculate the total, or you can also use here Autosum. Okay. Now let us calculate the percentage. Percentage is simple. Total divided by number of subjects. Here the total is in F2 cell. You can directly type from keyboard F2 divided by number of subject 3. Enter. And control the precision of percentage only up to 2 digit. Okay. Like this you can simply calculate a formula. You can use directly a library function, or you can also put the formula manually. Okay, but for better practicing you have to put formula manually. By using this reference, you can also calculate the bill of item or garment bill. Okay, pay slip of employee. Let us create bill of item. Here we have item code, then there is item name, then quantity, price. Here we also want to display amount as well as discount, and then there is net amount. Simple formula. Okay, again here put the code, go to fill handle, press the control and drag the key. Let us take only 5 records. Here the name of item. uh, the standard way to put the record is fill the record horizontally. Okay, that is first is pen, then quantity is 10, price is 120. Okay, where we have only input data name, item code name, quantity and price, therefore let us select only this much. Okay, tap tap, then there is notes, quantity is 20, price is suppose 200. Now next is suppose you can put anything, paper only 2. This price is per piece, per kg, or per here is per piece 20. Now eraser, there is spelling mistake, 5. The price is suppose 25. Then there is scale, the quantity is 20 and price is suppose 70. Okay, now how to calculate amount? Simply here use equal to. Whenever you use equal to, then only formula will get work. Okay, now we want to calculate quantity and price. Quantity multiply by price. Here is the formula bar, you can see formula here. Okay, just drag it. Now discount, suppose here we use fixed discount 20%, then how to write? E2 you can directly write into 20%. It is also very simple in Excel. Okay, so here is the 20% in each amount, and now net amount is simple amount which is in E2 minus F2. But here if you don't use equal to, then the value remains same, therefore use equal to calculate the accurate result. Okay, here we use simple formula, or you can also say that here we use simple mathematical operators, plus, minus, multiply, divide, etc. Okay, in next lecture we will see some logical operators. Okay, but you have to practice it by putting different type of data and calculate the different calculations. Okay, thank you. We will continue in next lecture.